Okay, let's get you fed.
Okay, so I'm just.
Прими его.
What the?
Comment. You look so fat. Turkey cat.
Top 10 cats I would pet instead of my cat. None. Because look at him.
Yo, Spunky, what are you doing, dog? You sniffing ass.
Ow! What you doing?
Dude, she reached.
What's wrong, man? You ain't nothing. You ain't like bath time?
What are you, fish head? She's so mad.
This family makes me want to murder people.
The girls are fighting. The girls are fighting. Please don't throw up.
Come on, cuz. What the f? You in the shower? Nah, you ain't trying to get clean right now, cuz. Oh!
This is a breakdown of your routine, which is...
Babe, are you awake? Okay. While we were sleeping, you pushed my leg off of you, and I was wondering if you still love me.
How many times did I tell you to get out of my chair? Oh, yeah.
Listen, Monica, I just want to acknowledge the
Trying to take a bro.
Mackenzie, you're so cute. Can I take your picture? Say cheese.
He's gonna jump on me.
Go get. What's a little kitten? Oh no!
It's not that deep.
So picture this, you're a burglar, you're going to break into my house, you turn the door handle, you open it up, and look, there's 40 freaking cats. What do? You probably just leave.
Start, you piece of shit!
I tried using my cat as a pillow. This is what happened.
You getting stinky, sir.
I call this cat roulette.
you.
Oh, that was so mean. Are you okay?
I'm going to kill him.
Oh, man.
Where is that traitor?
Wake up. I said wake the fuck up. Sleepy time's over. Let's go.
Hi, thank you for all coming today. This is pretty serious, so,
Yeah, for sure. What's wrong?
Yo, this whisker is thick as hell. Bonk.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do you think you have a toxic work environment? Ow!
Dula peep. I can't. Get out. Normal temperature.
Dave? Buddy? Do you even have bones?
Say hello to my little friend. Yeah?
Speed. I am speed.
Can you please sit still? I need to get in there. Stop moving. These baby feet are my favorite.
I'm just gonna borrow the chips for a moment. Here. Give them. Just give them back. Give me the chips! Ugh. Okay, I don't want any.
You just drank a lot of milk. How do you feel? So sleepy.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Good job. Oh my god.
No, this is the first.
Just a small coffee, please.
Small coffee, that'll be $1.29.
Do you take tooth?
Yes, we do.
No.
Proof that cats are government spies. The white hair is her deactivate button. Her minion trying to stop me.
Look at the toe beans. This is a real spa day today, ain't it, baby girl? Yes, it is. Look at the toe beans. Look at the toe beans. Did you ever feed on my baby meow?
And I want to apologize to all of you for what I did. It was very wrong and I am very sorry. I just would like to move on and lead a normal life, you know.
Show something you regret getting, then show what you turned it into.
Feed 10 to 12 treats per 10 pounds of body weight daily. Whose cat wrote this? Whose cat wrote this?
This family makes me want to murder people.
Oh my gosh. What?